おはようございます。今日はカタカナラリルレロはを勉強します。You can find ラリルレロ in our classroom カナブック37ページです。37ページ。To watch a video, go to Katakana Lesson 9 on YouTube. これはラです。Notice that this has a component that is present in lots of other katakana. So we have this component, that's fu. Same component with this is su. And same component with this is nu. These all have u's in them. But ra has an a. So I actually like to think of this one as a ramen noodle stuck above your mouth. But here the strategy is that it's the Ray-Bans and then the shape of the raptor's mouth. So a word with this in it is dorama. And dorama in particular, you have J-drama, which is Japanese drama, K-drama, and HK drama. So K-drama is Korean drama and HK is Hong Kong drama. This is the simplest one because it looks exactly like hiragana ri. And a word with this in it is rizumu. Rizumu. Rhythm. Ru. Ru looks like kangaroo legs. Has 2 strokes. Ichi. Ni. So this is what the kangaroo looks like. I'm not very good at drawing, but just imagine this is a kangaroo. Otherwise, you can use this strategy. So there are 2 roots. So it works if you do roots as RU. Some people say route, so it has to be root, I guess. A word that has this in it, arubamu, album. Tsugi wa rei desu, rei. So Rei, the name of a girl, has flowing hair. Or you can think of this as a slice of lemon. So in Japanese, the word for lemon is lemon. So it kind of looks like this, where you have, right, the lemon slice. It looks more like a pizza slice now. In any case, you have de, mo, or this one here is resutoran. So now you know that word, restaurant. これはろです。Ro looks like a perfect square. Be careful, this one up here where it's ichi, ni, san. So there are only 3 strokes. Don't go over like this. This is, I think, just a font that it does that. And here it does it as well. That's not very common to write ro like that. It's usually written flush. These corners do not come down like that. One of the strategies for this is a square rock. Or a rock that doesn't roll. Or you can think of this as a terrible road that never ends because it just goes, I'm going to say round and round in a square. これは rosé, rose wine, or a rosé wine, sorry. じゃあ読みましょうか. Go ahead and pause the video, see if you can read these words after you've studied a little bit more in your kana book. Restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. これはソロ。それからカメラ、カメラ。ナポリ、ナポリ。ビール。Remember, this means a long vowel in katakana. And, oh, here's another one. Biru. Let's take a look at what these mean. So, biru is short for building. Biru, with a long vowel, is beer. And you have solo, which means solo. Napoli for Naples, Italy. So, kakimashouka. Let's write these. This should be kakimashouka. So, biru. Pause the video. Write these out on a piece of paper and restart when you're ready. It's he's sitting down, 10-10. Ru, kangaroo, legs, or two different routes. Obviously, this next one is going to look exactly the same, except for the long vowel, which is represented by a dash. Soro. So is the needle pointing down, the stitch of the needle. Ro is the rock that doesn't roll because it's square. Napori. Na is the knife. Po is the holy cross with the circle, maru. And ri is easy. Tsugi wa wa, wo, which can be found in our classroom kana book 37ページ。で、ビデオもあります。Katakana Lesson 10 on YouTube. これはwa です。Wa looks a lot like u, but it has a longer tooth here. As you can see, that's the strategy. And it doesn't have that top portion. So this is actually wa, I got a new tooth, a baby crying because they're teething. And one of the words that has this in it is Hawaii, which is where I used to teach. This is o, or wo, and this katakana is rarely used. I've never seen it before ever used in a regular word, and therefore we will not be practicing it, but just so you know, it is there, but you will probably never see it. これはunです. Un looks suspiciously like so, only it goes up. That second stroke goes up, so it's ichi, ni, so it goes up like this. That's why the strategy for this is going north, or the line heads north. So goes south, so you can think of this as so goes south, and goes north. Very common word, pan, which is taken from Portuguese, meaning bread. じゃあ読みましょうか. Pause the video and see if you can read these words and perhaps guess what they mean. これはペン wa, i, wine, wa, i, ru, do, wild, wildo. That's a hard word to pronounce. It means wild. Ba, i, o, di, violin. A, i, do, Right, so you can tell this is tapering at the top, so it's an rather than a so. So, iron. じゃあ書きましょうか. Before you write these out, I really encourage you to take a look at your kana book and write out the kana 5 or 10 times, or however many times you have to do it for your homework, and then do this and see if you can remember it without looking. じゃあ最初は wine. So it's wa is the shape of the mouth with the tooth down there. I is like the capital I with the missing portion at the bottom. Goes up. Next one is similar. Wa, I, do. Remember, kangaroo legs are two different roots. Do is the totem pole, 10-10. Iron, sideways A. Do is the rock that doesn't roll. Going up north. And violin, ba, which is the hat with the top missing. I, o is the crack in the open window. Or it was a variation on the word for big, which is also read oki. Ri looks like hiragana ri, and